Hey, thanks for joining me in this video. So today I'm replacing the low beam HID xenon bulb on my 2002 S55 AMG, and I'm going to show you guys how to quickly replace these bulbs on the 2000 to 2002 W220 S-Class. So take a look. Fortunately, this $210 bulb was defective from Mercedes Benz and they don't have any in stock, so I had to just take it back and run down to the parts store. Alright, since you have no access to get a tool back inside of here, you're going to have to remove the whole headlight unit. Alright, so my unit's out on this side. I'm going to show you some quick tips on the opposite side of the car. So we have a 13mm screw right here. Just take that off. That's holding the bumper clip on. Then we have an 8mm, which holding the headlight unit on the side. And on the top, same thing, 8mm screw. And you have like a little bracket that's on the fender here that's holding it in, so you're just going to have to gently pry and pull it outwards, and then right here you're going to have to pull the bumper back some. I'll show you on the other side real quick. You're going to be actually pulling the bumper out in the headlight unit at the same time. You're going to have like the connectors in the back to remove, and here's that little thing that you're going to be popping out as you're removing it, and it kind of squeezes into the side right there, so you're going to be putting inside there, and that makes it so that the headlight can angle just a little bit easier on a pivot. Get T20 and just loosen up those screws just a little teeny bit, so that way you can move the safety lock bracket. Can't do it with one hand, I don't think. Let's see, can I? Yes, I can. All right, so twist up, and since I don't care about this bulb, I'm going to end up kind of touching it a little teeny bit, but for the most part, you don't want to get any fingerprints or definitely dirty hands on the bulbs. All right. Fortunately, I had to go to Advanced Auto Parts and purchase these aftermarket ones for $200, so let's go ahead and pop these in. All right, just remember when you're putting them in, make sure the little lines up here are up top, and they'll go in here. And then make sure you're, when you take it off, these little things slide inside there, which is pretty simple. Make sure you put your securing lock bracket on first and then put the bulb in, so that way you can slide it in the correct way. So make sure the closed is facing this way, and then the open right here, see where the open is facing that way. So when you close it up, everything will fit down nice and snug, and then you'll have this little white piece right here that will snap in and snap off kind of thing. All right, so just testing to make sure that it does light up before I stick everything back in there. There we go. Yeah, okay. Looks like we got some light up in here now. So just kind of panning down, I like the output of these bulbs. Everything looks good, so I definitely approve. Now, I know the skeptics are probably going to say, you don't have to remove the whole headlight unit, but you have to. Because remember back in the day, these were stolen really badly. So with that security ring on there and the T10s, you have no room to get any kind of tool behind there. So you're going to have to remove the unit, and be gentle because these things are fragile. I broke quite a few things on here in the install, so I wish you the best doing this job.